Hello everyone, I am Owen, a hose clamp expert from China. I have been working in the hose clamp industry for 16 years and have rich experience in product development and research. This is a little American style, width 8 mm, thickness 0.6 to 0.8 mm, bolt head 6 mm. This is a small American handle. This is a big American handle. Let's introduce how to use it. First, clip the hose clamp onto the hose. Tighten the clamp using the handle. The built-in handle does not require tools, which is relatively convenient. That's it, all done. First, clip the hose clamp onto the hose. There are two tools available for this. One is a screwdriver. Sleeves can also be used. Small American hose clamp with 8 mm bandwidth, using a 6 mm socket for the clamp bolt head. Okay, installation is complete. This product is reusable. If your hose is in use and cannot be fitted with a clamp, we can remove the hose clamp and bypass the hose. Align the steel strip with the bolt, then tighten the bolts. It's okay to use it this way. Thank you for watching, and I hope my video can be helpful to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you can quickly find it when you need it. I will continue to update the usage of other hose clamps. Everyone's support is my driving force for continuous updates.